you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Glossybox's Mother's Day box to show you guys. And they sent me both variations to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. All right, you guys, so these just arrived. These are the new Glossybox Mother's Day gift boxes. They come in two different variations with the color of the box anyway. They did send both of these to me for review to show you guys. So thank you so much for sending me your boxes to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So again, this is their Mother's Day limited edition box for 2021, and it comes with two different color options. So when you do purchase it, you can actually choose this one, which is kind of like their pink box, and it has these little pretty flowers on there. So pretty for springtime. It does continue through the side of the box, and there is some on at the bottom. So this is the pink, oops, upside down. So here is the pink variation right there. Super, super pretty. And again, very pretty for spring. And these boxes are constructed so well that I always keep them to use them for different things. And then this one looks like this. So it has more of like the mint teal green behind it, but it still has the same little flowers and all of that good stuff. It has it on the sides, and then it is still on the bottom. So here are the two different color variations that you can choose from. And these are now available. So you can definitely check them out. These are $35 if you are a non-subscriber. And if you are a subscriber to their beauty box, then you can get this for $30. They did give me a code if you wanted to sign up for the beauty box. Your first box would only be $16, and then you get $5 off one of these boxes if you would like. That is all linked down below. You can definitely check that out. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this teal box because that's my favorite color. So let's go ahead and get inside of here and see what's going to be inside. Now, these are supposed to have a value of $215. So let's see what's in here. So when you first open it up, oh, it's all teal on the inside as well. This one does have a teal ribbon on it, super cute. And then here is the card, and it matches the box with the same mint, handpicked just for you is the theme for this Mother's Day box. And then there is the tissue paper with their seal right there. When you remove that, there's a sneak peek in the box. Okay, so down in here should go over the products, yes. And does it go over pricing? Yes. So this is my little guide to go through as we go through the box. So the first thing that I'm pulling out right on top, it says Angel. So, oh, Muggler. Oh, like it's not in there. It's right here. So this right here is a perfume sample, and it says that this is a trial size 0.04 ounce worth $4. The full size of a 1.6 ounce is $120. Perfume is just getting more and more expensive. It's like, holy moly. Kind of smells like cinnamon and cloves. It's like a musky kind of scent. I don't know. I'm not too fond of that scent. It does come with this little sample that you can try out if you would like. So there's item number 1. So then the next thing is inside here. It says Cbd Relief Cream. That sounds good. It says taking care of your body makes a huge difference with the whole beauty routine. This natural hemp lotion with organic essential oils provides soothing relief for muscle pain, joint stiffness, and nerve pain, so you can quickly get back to doing the things that you love. So that's really neat. That'll help with the different pain relief. Does that say lavender? Yeah. Soothing lavender is the scent. So I will go ahead and set this for a future giveaway for one of you guys to hopefully enjoy, because you know me and lavender. All right, so then the next item is right here, and this says that it is a Shine Control Moisturizer. Oh, this right here is valued at $8 for this deluxe mini size, and the full size 100 ml would be $54.99. And then this one says Target Excess Shine and gently mattify your skin with a full 8 hours of this lightweight moisturizer. It reduces the appearance of imperfections by tightening pores and preventing them from getting clogged, smoothing out the skin's surface and texture. This is by Deluxe Mini 15 mil worth $12.50, and the full size is a 30 mil valued for $19.99. So that sounds like that does a lot of interesting things. So there's the third item. Next we have, it says Authentic Beauty Concept Replenish Mask for Damaging Hair. So this is a hair mask. I get so excited with hair masks. This says free from parabens and silicones. This mask straightens the hair fiber and helps to restore the cuticle. This formula will make your hair easier to comb and leave it softer and shinier. Says to smooth through lengths and ends on damp hair. After shampooing, leave on for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse throughout. This is a travel size 30 mil worth $10. The full size is 200 mil and it values for $38. So that is really cool. I cannot wait to use this on my hair tonight. And if I like it, which I probably will, then I can get the full size. See, I like that. So you can try it before you go and spend a lot of money. So then the next thing in here is from Cab Cosmetics. This is a full-size item and it values for $18. It's a red velvet matte liquid lipstick. This deep plum shade is exactly what you need to top off the sophisticated look. Its weightless formula makes it comfortable and long-lasting, so you won't worry about smudging or wiping lipstick off your teeth. Again, this is valued for $15. Let's see what color this is. Ooh, that is a really pretty burgundy. That's really pretty. So we have that. It smells good. And that's a full size product. Next thing we have is this thing. It says Bumble and Bumble Surf Styling Leave-In Cream for soft sea-swept waves with UV protection. This right here is the full size and it values for $29. It says make waves wherever you go with this UV protective gel cream. This is a multitasker, conditions, detangles, and fights frizz while adding light hold and flexibility to your hair. So you can style and restyle all day. You'll have that soft, beachy, chic look without the sand. That's good. I hate the sand. So there's that, and that is a really good size. And again, this right here is valued for $29. So we still have a few items in here. Ooh, I've actually received this and I really, really like this serum. This right here is Herbal Youth Oil and it's valued for $82. For one, I think the packaging is always really pretty. And the inside, let me show you. There's that. So it's a full-size bottle and it's the face oil. This says that it is known as nature's Botox. This silky, lightweight face oil helps to slow signs of aging on a cellular level. Its anti-aging 7-blend oil formula smooths out fine lines and prevents new ones from forming. So it just says apply a few drops on palm or directly onto your face and gently massage. Use morning and evening. And again, that's valued for $82. Okay, so there's one item left in here. The tissue paper inside is even the mint green, or like the paper. So the last item is down in here. It says Velvet Trends. Oh, these are sunglasses. Yeah. This is a full-size item. And these value for $55. So that is what they look like. There you go. You can see a little bit right there. I actually like them. They're like a full frame. So they actually look good on my face, I think. So you have that. And these again are valued for $55 for this pair of sunglasses. And I think that it's neat that at least does come in a little case to protect them, keep them protected. So that is everything that came in this box. There was 8 items total. So a quick recap. We have the pair of sunglasses. You have the hair product, another hair product, but this is the hair treatment I'm super excited about. You have a moisturizer. You have a CBD Relief Cream, a liquid lip, which is a really pretty burgundy color. You have a scented, like a musky scented perfume, and the Snow Fox face oil. So that is everything that came in this Mother's Day edition box, you guys. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the items that came in here? Again, if you are a member, you can get this for $30, or if you're not, you can still get it for $35. And I'll link everything down below if you'd like to go check out their site and see. Now, again, they did send me 2 of them. They sent, because they wanted you guys to see this different color box. But I think inside it's going to be exactly the same. Let me see. Let me just pull the card out so I'm not disrupting this thing, and make sure these are the same. And like, they match this one too. Yes, these are all the same items. So I'm going to just put this card right back in here. And then in 2 weeks, this could be one of you guys if you would like this. So if you are interested in the contents that came in here and you would like to win this one for yourself, you can use it for yourself, or you can give it as a gift. No matter what, whatever you would like to do, it will be yours to do whatever you would like. So if you are interested, then here are the simple rules. Number 1, you must be subscribed to my channel. That's why I do what I do when I do it, so I can give back to those that are here positively supporting me on my channel, like to show my appreciation and say thank you. Number 2, give this video a big thumbs up and leave 1 comment down below and put in the comment section, sharing is caring. Only 1 comment per username with the word sharing is caring. You can leave as many comments as you would like, but only 1 entering in to make it fair for everybody. I will have this run for 2 weeks. At the end of the 2 weeks, I will use a random comment picker to cipher through the ones that say sharing is caring. And then if it does come up with your name, I will comment back to your comment saying, congratulations, you are the current winner, and have 48 hours to contact me back. If you do not contact me back within 48 hours, a new winner will be drawn, and that new winner will have the same 48 hours to respond, and so on and so forth until I get a confirmed win. You must have a United States address for me to mail it to. I don't care where you live, as long as I'm mailing it to United States address. And you must be over the age of 18 or have a legal parent or guardian, somebody over the age of 18, to enter in for you. And that'll be all. Down below in the description box, there will be the official rules. I have the official end date in case there's any questions. And when this is over, it will say congratulations to so-and-so, has 48 hours to confirm, or it will say confirmed if they are confirmed. And that's that. So again, you guys, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.